Hey guys, so don't mind the cats. I just wanted to show a quick video of how to wear a wig. Of course, I want to show you my cats first. This is banana bread and cheesecake. All right, so you're gonna need, of course, your wig, a paddle brush. If you have long hair or thick hair, you will need one of these. It's called a wig cap. And also, if you have short hair, you can use a ponytail, but if you have long and thick hair, you will need bobby pins. So if you have short hair, you can put your hair in a low bun, but if you have long hair like mine, or if you have thick hair, try and do what I do, which is divide my hair down the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then what you do is you take one section and twist it with the other section. So they will go the opposite directions. And then once you've done that, you can start twisting your hair. It doesn't have to be perfect, just as long as you can get your hair out of the way. And then put it over your head like a crown. And then take a bobby pin and secure. And then take another bobby pin and put it in the opposite direction. Wow! Sabi ko nga. All right, let me try this again. By the way, as a tip, it will be better if your hair hasn't been washed for like a day or two, because if you just washed your hair like mine, it will obviously be like extra smooth. Okay, opposite direction. All right, now for the other side, do the same thing. Now the reason we're doing it is so that you can flatten your hair and it won't have any bulges. I noticed that a lot of my friends and members of the colored hair group in the Philippines are like, why is my hair bulking? It's because you put it in a bun even though your hair is thick. So this is a good trick. Another way you can do it is if you braid your hair and then do the same thing. Again, opposite directions. Ooh. It's still sliding. A tip, if you just shampooed your hair, you can get a texturizing product or a dry shampoo. So you have your hair like that. Technically you don't need one of these, but it's better if you do, because it helps keep your hair in place. Now you put the wig cap on. And that's basically the shape that you want. And if you have a little bit more hair at the back, you can tuck it in. And then, oops, you can take your wig. Some people wear it like that. I like to wear it like this. And most wigs are adjustable. and have garters. So just try to work your way around it, like so. And then there you have it. You can brush your hair or your wig like normal. If you want to put clips on it, that's fine. Most wigs are synthetic. If your hair, or your wig rather, is made of human hair or Remy hair, you can actually dye it. But if it's made of synthetic wigs or synthetic fibers, there's like a special technique. You can't use hair dye. You have to use, I think, fabric dye or a special dye just to color wigs. But there you go, it's easy. Let me know if you have questions and enjoy.